A car's engine is like a finely tuned orchestra, and at the heart of it are two key players: the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold. The intake manifold is responsible for delivering a perfect mix of air and fuel to the cylinders, ensuring that the engine runs smoothly and efficiently. It's like a chef carefully measuring ingredients for a delicious recipe. On the flip side, the exhaust manifold plays a crucial role in expelling the burnt gases after combustion, keeping the engine clean and preventing back pressure. Together, these manifolds create a seamless flow of gases, optimizing performance and power. Without them, your car would struggle to breathe, and that's a ride no one wants to take.